Dear students of class 12th, welcome to English literature class. Act 5 scene 1 is going on. Now the line number 100, Prospero's speech. Why, that's my dainty Ariel. I shall miss thee, but thou shalt have freedom. So, to the king's ship, invisible as thou art. There shalt thou find the mariners asleep under the hatches, the master and the boatswain being awake, and force them to this place, and presently I pray thee. Prospero says, why? That is my dainty Ariel, my honorable Ariel. I will miss you. I will give you freedom, but I will not forget you. I will miss you, but you will have your freedom. Though I will miss you, but you will have your freedom. That is right. Thank you. Now go to the king's ship. Invisible as you are, there you will find sailors sleeping below the deck. When the master and the boatswain of the ship wake up them, come here. Wake up them, make them come here. Do this now, I request you. He gives the order. When the master and the boatswain of the ship wake up, make them come here. Do this now, I request you. Ariel says, I drink the air before me and return, or your pulse twice beat. I will fly quickly as much as possible and return before your pulse beat twice. Exit. Gonzalo says here, all torment, trouble, wonder and amazement inhabits here. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. Every pain, trouble, surprise and amazement exist here. May some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place. Prospero says, behold, Sir King, the wronged Duke of Milan. Prospero, for more assurance that a living prince does not speak to thee, I embrace thy body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. Prospero says, behold, O King, Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan, assures you that a living person is speaking to you. I am a living person. I assure you that I am a living person speaking to you. I embrace you with my arms, and I offer you to you and your companions a cordial, a hearty welcome. Alonso says, whether thou best he or no, or some enchanted trifle to abuse me, as late I have been, I know not. Whether you are really Prospero, or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, because Alonso is already deceived by the spirits. So, though Prospero is alive, standing before Alonso, he is in doubt. He is doubtful whether he is a live man or a spirit. He is also a spirit. Prospero or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, as it has happened of late, I do not know. Thy pulse beats as of flesh and blood, and since I saw thee, the affection of my mind amends with which I fear a madness held me. This must crave as if this be at all a most strange story. Your pulse beats like that of a human being. After seeing you, the illness in my brain, which I fear was some kind of madness, has improved. I became insane. A kind of madness overcame me. Now my madness has improved, and all this requires a strange story to explain. Thy dukedom I resign and do entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. But how should Prospero be living and be here? If it in fact it is not a dream, I hereby resign from your dukedom. I am giving resignation from your dukedom, means Milan. Now it will be not in my charge. I also beg of you to pardon me all my misdeeds. But I would like to know how Prospero is living in this place, in this island. Prospero says, first, noble friend, let me embrace thine age, whose honor cannot be measured or confined. First, my noble friend, let me embrace you, your aged self, whose honor cannot be measured or limited. You are most honorable person for me. Gonzalo says, whether this be or be not, I will not swear. Gonzalo says, I cannot be sure whether all this is real or a dream. Still he is in doubt. Prospero says, you do yet taste some subtleties over the isle, subtleties over the island that will not let you believe things certain. Welcome, my friends all. Prospero says, you are still under deception. You are still under some deception in this island, which does not permit you to believe in the reality that is now in front of you. This is whatever is going on, this is reality. But it is very difficult for you to believe. I welcome you all, my friends. Whatever is going on here is real. Believe. Aside to Sebastian and Antonio. But you, my brace of lords, was so minded, I here could pluck his highness frown upon you. He says to Sebastian and Antonio, but as for you two lords, if I wish, I could call upon king and justify your traitors. At this time I will tell no tales. He says, but as for you two lords, if I wish, I could call upon King Alonso to look upon you with anger. I can request to Alonso to look you upon with anger and prove that you are traitors. Now, however, I will refrain from doing that. I am not going to do that. Sebastian says, aside, the devil speaks in him. Sebastian says, the devil speaks through this man. Doubtful whether he was Prospero or not. He is not sure. Prospero says, no. For you most wicked, sir, whom to call brother would even infect my mouth, I do forgive thy rankest fault, all of them, and require my dukedom of thee, which perforce I know thou must restore. No, I am a man, not a devil. No, as for you most wicked, he says to Antonio, most wicked means here indicates Prospero Antonio. No, as for you not most wicked, sir, whom to call you my brother would mean swallowing my mouth. I do not want to say you my brother. You are traitor. Would mean swallowing my mouth. But I do forgive even your worst crimes. I demand my dukedom from you, which I know that you have no choice but to restore it to me. There is no choice. You will have to give it to me, to restore to me. Alonso says, if thou best Prospero, give us particulars of thy preservation, how thou hast met us here, who 3 our sins were wrecked upon the shore where I have lost. How sharp the point of this remembrance is, my dear son Ferdinand. If you are truly Prospero, Alonso says, if you are a real Prospero, truly Prospero, tell us how you were saved, how you met us here when it was only 3 hours ago. We were shipwrecked and drifted onto the shore. I lost my dear son Ferdinand on the sea. My pain is acute, unbearable. My pain is acute. Acute means so much, great, too much. Indeed, while remembering that, my dear son Ferdinand, my pain is acute. My dear son Ferdinand, indeed, while remembering that, I feel much pain. Prospero says, I am woe for sir. Prospero says, I am sorry for it, sir. And what happens? You will study in lecture number 4. Thank you so much, students.